everyone and welcome back to the channel, and if you're new around here, welcome. So yeah, grab yourself a brew and let's get started. So I got this lantern from a local charity shop for £3.95. I thought that was a bargain. You'll also need a battery powered candle. So you'll need to decide what side you want the swag to go on. I wanted the door to open, so I knew I wanted it on the other side. So you'll also need some florals in various types. I'm using these more autumnal colours. You'll need zip ties and a pipe cleaner. So to start, you'll want to measure the length of the florals, whether you want them long, short, etc. It's totally up to your aesthetic. And then you can start cutting the florals down to size. And then just lay them out in the pattern that you want them in. We're going to zip tie these together so they'll be secure. And just continue to add and cut the flowers as you need them. Yes, so if anybody's seen my previous video, that was a haul from the range which included these flowers. So once you've got everything positioned where you want them, we're just going to use a little zip tie to tie them together. We're not going to pull it securely at first so that we can actually move the flowers about some more, but we'll secure it properly once we're satisfied with everything. And just be careful using tools when you're trying to secure it. Nearly took my eye out with this one. Watch this. Boop. So once the flowers are all secure, it's time to make a bow. And yes, if you're enjoying this video, please do consider subscribing if you're not already subscribed, or at the very least, like or make a comment. That'd be great. Thank you. I'm just doing a simple bow here. If you'd like me to do a full bow tutorial, please let me know in the comments and I'll make a video on it. So the first bows that I put in were about 3 inches long, and the second ones are about 2.5. And then it's time for a pipe cleaner. I got these ones for £1 from the Works in the UK. So I'm just folding the pipe cleaner in half, and then I'm going to put it over the centre of the bow and give it a good turn at the back, squeezing the bow up together to make sure it's secure. And then you can just fluff the bow. So I attach this to the flowers by just placing the bow over the front and twisting it at the back. And then I attached it around the top of the lantern by doing the same thing and twisting the pipe cleaner. So what do you think, guys? Like I've said, please do consider subscribing, or at least like and comment. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.